C5 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 71,680 on it at the moment. Torch red exterior, ebony leather interior. Now, underneath the hood, 5.7 liter LS V8 that has been massaged a little bit in 2004. So recently rebuilt, top half. It does have a cam, honed cylinders, main bearing was replaced. They resurfaced the heads, new rings, and more. There's actually receipts, paperwork that'll go along with the car of what was done. At that time, there was also a center force performance clutch that was installed. It was also dynoed, 530 horsepower, 490 pound-feet of torque. This car sounds mean, and it will get up and move. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia, front nose. As you can see, it does come with the license plate cover in the front, and it's not full of nicks, dings, chips. Yeah, you're going to find a few spots that have been touched up, a little pebble chip, what have you. But overall, this nose really shows well. Paint shows well in the car. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, it's nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. I'll tell you a few other modifications that it's had done, very tasteful. Up front, Willwood slotted and drilled rotors. So brakes have been upgraded in the front. By the way, the brakes are 95% in the front, 95% in the rear. Riding on the correct Z06 wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport radials. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You're also going to notice the side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. The Z06 will of course be a fixed roof coupe, no removable top, 6-speed manual transmission. That would explain the center force performance clutch, right? So you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, paint shows well. It will come with a car cover. Exhaust on the car. It does have headers, X-pipe, mufflers, no cats, so I want to make you aware of that. QA1 shocks in the rear. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, yes, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. You can see the paint, and it looks like it's a wet. And again, looks as good in person as it does in the videos and the pictures. Sorry about the focus there a little bit. All right, let's take a little closer look at this ebony interior. So basically black leather interior. Of course, Bose stereo system, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seating, power seat over here on the driver's side. Also, nice condition. Not full of rips, tears, holes. Just your natural wear from the leather hide. Of course, tilt column, cruise control, driver's information center. Again, heads up display on this one. There has been an air to fuel ratio gauge added. If you look just past the shifter right there, where the ashtray would be. One thing the tech noted also, just the display right here, it's dim or doesn't light up much. AC, heat, all of that works. And I can kind of try to show you that here in a second. Let's go ahead. It's a nice firm clutch. This thing sounds like a beast. Alright, heads up display is working. If you can, I won't be able to really get it to focus, but There you can see it is working. And that can be adjusted, turned off, what have you. Closing the door all the way here. There's your miles, 71,680, and this car has a rumble to it. Top of the dash looks good. Not bad when you close the door though, you can feel it where you can hear it.
For the table.
Stereo working, of course AM, FM, CD. Here you can kind of see that, man, it's real dim. I don't even know if you can see any, but it is blowing cold in here in the fan. You can hear it come up. So controls and everything work. It's just that display. All right. Slip around to the back so you hear this thing run. Car sounds menacing in person. All right, engine bay. So you get a good look underside of the hood. There it is. That 5.7 liter LS1 has been massaged a little bit. And again, you'll be able to have the receipts of what was done. If you have any questions on that, consult with your sales associate when you call in. There is a folder, some receipts and miscellaneous, and I will, again, put that back in the car. We'll go along to the next owner. A little bit of a Lobe idle. Sounds good. Good looking engine bay. Let's check out these headlights too while we're up here. Working good, no gears clicking, anything like that. Want a fun car that's a lot of bang for the buck? Here you go, 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Approximately 530 horsepower, 490 pound-feet of torque. It's been dyno sheet will go with it. Clean Carfax, number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com, and no, I didn't slam that hood shut, that's why it's slightly open. There's nothing wrong with latches or anything like that. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Correct way to close these. Up that far, let it go. Voila. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a 6-speed manual. And it's tuned up a little bit, you could say. Cruise control works on this Corvette. The AC's blowing cold. Still got some fairly low miles on it even. Let's see how she does on the road. Getting up to 3,500 RPM, and it accelerates very strong, and we're doing 60 miles an hour. Now cruising along at 57 miles an hour at 1,400 RPM, that's nice. Temperature approximately 190. The oil PSI 65. The battery is charging about 14 volts, and the fuel tank is showing 3/4 of a tank. Tachometer working. Radio sounds good. There's an air-fuel ratio gauge right down below the radio. mounted where the ashtray normally would be. Definitely tuned up a little bit for a little bit more power, or a lot more power than it did stock. Brakes feel good. Nice clean interior, black with black bucket seats that are very comfortable. Corners the way a Corvette should, nice and flat. You get the RPMs a little bit over 4, you really feel it kick in. Very fast, very fun 2003 Corvette in bright red. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.